Want to have a stunning garden without breaking the bank? You've come to the right place. Today we're exploring affordable gardening, where planning, creativity, and resourcefulness become your best tools. So, are you ready to transform your garden into a paradise without emptying your wallet? Let's dive in. First things first, planning. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive plants and decorations. When starting your garden, consider your local climate and soil type. Choose plants that thrive in these conditions. Remember, a well-planned garden not only looks beautiful but also saves you a lot of time, effort, and money. Next, consider investing in perennials. These are the plants that keep on giving. They might require a slightly higher initial outlay, but their perennial nature means they bloom year after year, offering outstanding value. So, for a budget-friendly garden that blooms every year, perennials are your best bet. Who says you need to buy expensive decorations to beautify your garden? Get creative with DIY projects. Painted rocks can add a splash of color, homemade bird feeders invite chirping friends, or create a whimsical fairy garden. With a little creativity, you can turn everyday items into beautiful garden decorations. And there you have it. With planning, perennial plant choices, and a dash of DIY magic, your dream garden is within reach, sans the hefty price tag. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!